Kashy with the science kid.
Cash, 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 cash.
Kashy with the science kid.
Cash, cash, cash.
Hi, I'm Mommy, and this is Kashy, and we want to welcome you to Kashy with the Science Kid. I'm excited too. We're going to be doing a really cool experiment today. Kashy's showing you his generic pop rocks. We have Sprite. Can you show them your pop, Kashy? Sprite. And we have a funnel. Can you say funnel? Funnel. You can use a rubber band, and I just have a plain old ponytail holder. And we got a bunch of gloves from Walgreens. So what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna open up the pop. Kashy, is your pop already open? You've been taking a couple of sips of your pop, so we're gonna use Mommy's pop. Here, I want you to stick the funnel in the top of the pop bottle. Can you stick the funnel? Here, use the funnel. Okay, I want you to put it right here. Put it inside of the bottle. Can you do that? Wow. Good job, Cassius. Next, Kashy, I'm going to open up my pop rocks. Shake, shake, shake. Oh, shake, shake, shake. Shake your pop rocks. Can you shake it? Shake your pop rocks. Oh. Okay, so what we're going to do, Kashy, you're going to leave your funnel in, and we're going to open up the pop rocks. I know, it tastes really yummy. Okay, guys, so what we're going to do now that we have our pop rocks open, we're going to go ahead and pour. Kashy, you're still in the science experiment. We got the glove and the pop rock. Can you hold it, Papa?
Good job, Kashy.
Okay. All right. Kashy is holding the glove and the pop rock, and we're going to go ahead and pour in the pop rocks. You ready to pour? So we poured all of our pop rocks into the glove. Now what we're going to do, guys, we're going to go ahead and take our rubber band or our ponytail holder, whatever it is that we can find at home, and we're going to go ahead and tie the glove around the Sprite bottle or whatever type of pop you choose to use, as long as it's a carbonated beverage, and make sure that you don't get any pop rocks inside of your Sprite. Okay, so this is what your project should look like. You have a nice secure band, you have your glove, and you have your soda bottle. You can use your soda of choice. All right, Kashy, are you ready for the grand finale? So what you're gonna do, Kashy, are you ready? He's not ready. He's still eating all of the pop rock. Release your glove. Can you grab your glove? Release it. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, guys, until you get all of your pop rocks into the bottle. Shake it up, Kashy. Good job. Whoa, guys. All of our pop rocks are in the bottle. Let's see what happens next. If you have a couple of that are stuck, you can just push them into the bottle from the glove. So guys, I absolutely tricked you. That was a bottle of water, and as you can see, the pop rocks do not have a reaction in water. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually use our real bottle of soda, and we're gonna try this experiment again and see if we have a reaction. But this is a total dud because we don't have the right products to cause the reaction. So we're gonna take another glove, and this is a good way to trick your friends as well. We're gonna take another band. We do have more pop rocks, or these are called cupcake popping candy because I think that pop rocks got taken off of the market. So we're gonna open our popping candy. We're gonna use our glove, right? We're gonna put in our funnel. Kashy, the funnel. Can you hold a funnel for Mama? Okay, so we're gonna use our funnel and put our pop rocks in. Wow. open our pop bottle. And if you don't hear the fizz, that means it is probably not pop, guys. So don't let anybody trick you and take the real pop like Kashy did me. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna go ahead and put a rubber band or any kind of tight object around the neck of the bottle and the glove to make sure that we have the glove fitted secure and tight. You shake, shake. Shake it up. Shake it up. Shake it up. Shake it up. Shake all of your Pop Rocks up until they get into your Sprite bottle. Keep shaking, Kashy. Yay, we're not done yet. Shake it. Make sure that you shake all of your Pop Rocks into your pop bottle. Wow, guys, look at that reaction. Wow, what just happened? When the candy shell is melted, carbon dioxide escapes from the Pop Rocks. This creates the fizzling sound. Carbon dioxide will cause the balloon or glove to inflate because it has nowhere else to go inside of the bottle. We also use Sprite because, of course, any type of carbonated beverage contains carbon dioxide. Kashy, do you see that? Wow, hi! The glove is saying hi. Can you say hi, friends? Hi. Hi, friends. Wow, guys. Kashy, what do you think about that? I know. And what will happen if you drink this? Can you imagine the reaction going on in your stomach? My, oh my. Is that cool, Kashy? Do you have a hand? Can you say 5? Can you count the fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right, Kashy. Yay! Good job. Okay, Kashy Wiz. Now that we have a bunch of Pop Rocks and a bunch of soda, we should have a party. Are you ready to party? Kashy Wiz, the science kid.
Cash, 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 cash.
Kashy Wiz, the science kid.
Cash, 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 cash.
Kashy Wiz, the science kid. Hi guys, since Kashy and I have already done the Pop Rock experiment, we want to break some myths. Do you want to break some myths, Kashy? I'm excited. We're going to break some myths. So the myth is that if you drink Pop Rocks in soda, that your stomach will explode. As you can see, Pop Rocks have a bunch of gas in them, right? Because you can see that this glove actually expands just from the mixture of Pop Rocks and soda. So I'm going to break this myth today. Kashy, are you going to break the myth? Kashy's been eating a lot of Pop Rocks and a lot of Sprite. But what I'm going to do is a proven experiment that you see. I'm going to go ahead and drink it, guys. And if I'm still here tomorrow, I've trumped the myth. Okay, so I'm going to politely just break this off. Okay, here's the Pop Rocks. Here's the soda. Come a little closer, camera. I want you to see that there are actually Pop Rocks floating around at the bottom of this soda. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a big swig and I'm going to call you in the morning. Are you ready, Kashy? This is so safe that I'm even going to give it to my kid. And he's going to call you in the morning. Kashy, you want some?
Sure.
Alright guys, not only are we scientists, but we're myth breakers. Yes, and we challenge you to the Pop Rock Challenge, where you drink your favorite soda and a little bit of Pop Rocks. Are you excited, Kashy? He's excited. Can you say bye, friends?
Bye.
Bye, friends.
What's your name?
Cash.
Kashy Wiz, the science kid.
Cash, cash.